Hey Crypto Nation, welcome back. Now, whether you're new to the concept of crypto rewards or just here to find out the most secure places to park and earn interest on your crypto, this video is for you. So, most crypto rewards come from staking. In simple terms, staking is a way of earning extra crypto by locking up your existing cryptocurrency on-chain. When you stake your tokens, you're essentially helping to support your blockchain of choice by validating transactions. And as a thank you, the network rewards you with more crypto. Staking actually emerged way back in 2012 with a cryptocurrency called Peercoin. Before that, most blockchains used Bitcoin's proof of work consensus mechanism, which required miners to solve complex puzzles to validate transactions. Proof of stake changed the game by allowing token holders to validate transactions based on how many coins they hold or have delegated by voters. So instead of using a ton of electricity like mining does, proof of stake allows for a more energy efficient way to secure a network and, of course, encourages token holders to participate in network governance through votes. Some of the most popular ones include Ethereum, which transitioned to proof of stake with the Ethereum 2.0 upgrade, as well as Cardano, Polkadot, Solana, and many more. All of the big layer 1 chains have their own version of Web3 wallets that you can use to interact with DeFi applications and staking platforms on their respective blockchains. And let's not forget liquidity pools like those in Uniswap and Balancer, which can offer higher returns, though they come with some risks. Even with a reputable dApp like Uniswap, you can find yourself suffering from impermanent loss, which means the price of the tokens you deposit into the pool changes for the worse, and so you end up taking out less than you put in. And let's not even get started on less reputable, hastily created liquidity pools that may not have been properly audited, leading to hacks, or the degen developers that use huge percentage rewards to entice you to pair up some perfectly good crypto with a new flash in the pan coin before pulling the rug on the project and fleeing with everybody's liquidity. An even more recent development in the history of crypto rewards is liquid staking, the crypto equivalent of having your cake and eating it too. Put simply, liquid staking lets you stake your tokens but still have access to some of their value by using a derivative token that is minted after lockup. Now, two popular examples of this are the liquid staking platforms Lido and Rocket Pool, which allow you to stake your ETH but still have a tokenized version that you can trade or use elsewhere in DeFi. This can be a great way of putting your capital to work if you know what you're doing, but does also come with some of the same risks as liquidity pools. And one last thing to keep in mind is the lockup period. Some staking programs require you to lock your funds for a set time, which means you can't access them if the market takes a dip. Make sure you're okay with that before you commit. Now, many users probably got their first taste of staking via popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. If you buy your crypto on these exchanges, it's probably the easiest way to earn crypto rewards, but it isn't necessarily the safest way to do so. Remember the old adage, not your wallet, not your crypto. If any of these exchanges ever went down, then your crypto and your accumulated rewards would go with it. So it's better, if possible, to stake via software or Web3 wallet that gives you full control over your private keys. This means that the developers of the wallet couldn't access your crypto even if they wanted to, and that your staking rewards are still there on the blockchain even if the application itself was to stop working. But if you want a non-custodial Web3 wallet that supports multiple chains and all of the most popular tokens, then you need to get Exodus. You can stake on desktop, mobile, or via the Exodus Web3 browser extension in just one click. And in addition to being the easiest and safest place to earn rewards on your crypto, Exodus also has a dedicated customer support team that aims to respond to every query within 24 hours. So if you need help with staking, we'll be right there for you. But enough bragging. If you want to find out more about earning crypto rewards on Exodus, you can click on this link or follow the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure to give a like and subscribe to the channel for more great crypto videos from Exodus.